Hello boss, let me introduce our machine to you. These are 4 roller wet type magnetic separator. One on the top is the first one, and the second roller, and the third roller, and the fourth. The first roller can separate out the magnetic iron ore. The second roller can separate out illuminate. The third roller can separate out the monazite. The fourth roller can separate out the tantalum, niobium ore, and the tellene can separate out the non-magnetic ore. We can make the wet type and the dry type. These are wet type or wet type magnetic separator. Now we have 5 sets in stock. Third one, fourth, and the fifth.